Okay, so I'm uploading a lot in these days. So let's. So I'll cut this part off and see what happens next. Yeah. Also, guys, a quick announcement. Like this guy, he's talking too much. If you talk too much, you can get kicked slash banned. Also, when you do a training, make sure you take your time and do it because it's annoying for everyone. Guys, I'm getting annoyed. Please help. Guys, I'm getting annoyed. Guys, I'm getting so annoyed. Okay, guys, now we're at the classroom part. We're gonna take notes. I'm gonna try not to make this video really long because I don't wanna edit all those. I like made 2 or 6. Can you do notepad? Yes, you can. Okay, we just finished. Okay, we just finished the classroom. We're at the traffic stop position. So yeah, let's get within it. My mouth is hurting right now. I'm gonna lie. And now we're at the official traffic stop. So let's get. I actually don't need to learn this because I did this so many times as a captain in my last main account, because my last main account actually is hacked. I just realized I have 4 Robux. Alright, we're almost at the end of the traffic stop. So after, I think there's a shooting thing or a obby, I don't know. Oh, I just got pushed. Dude, why? Oh, I forgot to open my recording. So this module has some pretty good well, I enjoy when people say these jokes. And this, you're on the 2nd grade only? Oh my god, oh my god. The same thing. So, okay. Oh. What the? How? It was just 2 shots. I'm scared. I'll meet you when I pass. Oh. It's not, it's T. Taser. No, T. Okay. He got too many chances, dude. It wasn't funny. Okay, thankfully I passed, like, unlike the guy before. Let's see the fight. Oh, that officer's dead. If his taser is stolen. I like to see their fights. It's kind of funny. I can watch this whole day. There's 2 more training left. This is kind of taking long. It's almost the midnight. I don't know. No, I mean midnight's after 4 hours, I think. Alright guys, it's been a long time. I'm actually getting kind of bored. Not gonna lie. Oh, I'm bored. Oh my. Okay. Alright. I'm getting bored. I don't know what should I do after. It's kind of. Alright guys, finally the training is over. I am so tired right now. It's like almost midnight. Oh, I'm so tired and I'm dying. Also for proof, this is the rank sheriff deputy. You can rewind. I just realized I have so many videos to edit. I just realized I have this video to edit. Oh my god. Wait, do you wanna see end of this video? Kinda cool, not gonna lie. Why is my voice so ugly? Okay. Cool strategy, like your own video. I'm gonna show you how I do. We're also gonna play. I'm actually gonna play Mcso, but I'm not gonna record because now is just a fun time. Alright, have a great day and awesome day. I'll be seeing you tomorrow.